Several legitimate reward apps can process eligible withdrawals on the same day, but only after your rewards have been credited and your account meets the platform's payment requirements. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps known for fast payouts and what can prevent a same-day withdrawal. The first app is EA Freecash. You earn rewards by completing game offers, surveys, and other online tasks. After an offer has been tracked and credited, you can redeem your earnings through supported methods such as PayPal, cryptocurrency, and gift cards. Many users choose Freecash because withdrawals are often processed quickly once rewards become available. Next is Scrambly. The platform rewards users for completing game milestones and partner offers. Once your completed offers are verified, you can request a payout using supported payment methods. Scrambly has built a reputation for fast withdrawal processing, making it a popular option for users who don't want to wait several days after cashing out. Third is NJustPlay. The app rewards users for playing games from its library, and earnings become available after gameplay is credited. Once your balance is ready, you can redeem it using the available payment options. The speed of payment depends on when your rewards are released and the method you select. The fourth option is Cash Giraffe. Android users earn coins by playing supported mobile games, and can exchange those coins for PayPal Cash or gift cards. Once your rewards are eligible for redemption, the payout process is generally straightforward, making it a solid choice for users looking for quick access to their earnings. The fifth app is Freeward. Like Freecash and Scrambly, Freeward pays users for completing sponsored game offers and other online tasks. After rewards are confirmed, you can redeem them through the available payment methods, with many users reporting fast payout processing once the rewards have been credited. Here's the part many people misunderstand. Same-day deposit doesn't mean you'll get paid the moment you finish playing a game. Your offer still has to be tracked, verified, and added to your available balance before you can request a withdrawal. Once that happens, the payment provider you choose also affects how quickly the money arrives. To improve your chances of receiving a fast payout, complete offers exactly as instructed, keep tracking enabled when required, and use a payment method that the app supports directly. If you want the best combination of game offers and fast withdrawals, Freecash, Scrambly, and Freeward are strong choices. If you prefer earning through regular gameplay, JustPlay and Cash Giraffe are worth considering. If this comparison helped you find a faster paying app, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best reward apps for 2026.